Did you know that many Americans have Native American ancestry but have no idea which tribe they belong to? Have you ever wondered if that family story about a native ancestor is actually true? It's a common story, a missing piece of the puzzle for so many families. Welcome to part 1 of our guide. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to begin discovering your Native American tribe, step by step, without any complicated guesswork. The best place to begin your search is right at home with your family. Your parents, grandparents, aunts and uncles are living archives of your family's history. Start by asking them if they've ever heard stories about native heritage. Don't dismiss these tales, even if they seem vague. They are your most important first clues. While you're talking with family, ask about old documents tucked away in attics or old chests. Look for birth certificates, marriage licenses, and even old family Bibles. Sometimes, a small note in the margin or a specific location can point to a tribal area. Letters and old photos can also hold critical information. This isn't just about finding a name. It's about piecing together the story of where your ancestors lived. This research is the foundation for everything else you're about to do. Now, with your family clues in hand, it's time to dive into official records. The U.S. Federal Census is a great place to start, as later versions often included race or ethnicity. Even more valuable are the Indian census rolls. Taken from 1885 to 1940, these rolls specifically listed Native Americans affiliated with a tribe. Finding an ancestor here with their name, family, and tribe listed can be a huge breakthrough. For those with ancestors from the 5 civilized tribes Cherokee, Chickasaw, Choctaw, Creek, and Seminole, the Dawes rolls are absolutely essential. Compiled between 1898 and 1914, tracing a direct ancestor to these rolls is often a requirement for tribal enrollment today. That's all for part 1. We've covered how to gather family stories and dive into historical records. But what about DNA tests? And how do you contact a tribe directly? We'll cover all of that in part 2. Click the link in the description or the video on your screen right now to continue your journey. You won't want to miss the next steps. Follow for more.